Samsung's next-gen Galaxy Watch 6 could finally be getting a modern processor. For a smartwatch unlikely to look radically different from its predecessors or bring many major internal upgrades to the table, the Galaxy Watch 6 is sure in the limelight a lot with quite some time left to an official announcement. Though the Samsung Galaxy Watch series ranks among our favorite Android smartwatches, the Watch 5 didn't offer any processor-related upgrades over its predecessor. Several leaks have already indicated that the forthcoming Watch 6 could feature a larger display, but new rumors show it could also include a faster chipset. Both the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 boasted the same Exynos W980 processor, but the 6th generation wearable could potentially add the newer Exynos W980, which is allegedly 10% faster. After all, Wear OS apps do not require anywhere near as much processing power as the software interface of your everyday Android phone, and by those standards, Samsung's homebrewed Exynos W920 processor inside the Watch 5 series is certainly plenty fast. Of course, a company of Samsung's caliber has to always keep an eye on the future and the inevitable progress of the wearable industry from both a software and hardware perspective. In addition to 10% improvement in raw speed at launch compared to the aforementioned Exynos W920, a fancy new Exynos W980 chipset tipped to power the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup could thus pave the way for other performance enhancements and the integration of fancy new sensors in the long run. Now that's something essentially all of the best smartwatches out there badly need, and to make sure the upgrades will be substantial in this particular department, Samsung is also purportedly preparing a good old-fashioned battery size increase across the board. Rumors have also swirled around that the tech company will bring back the rotating bezel, albeit much narrower, on the Galaxy Watch 6. Although the generally reliable Twitter leaker stopped short of confirming the Watch 6 classic name of this top-of-the-line variant, it seems more and more likely that we won't see a Watch 6 Pro join a standard Watch 6 model to market. What's perhaps even more intriguing about this potential belated sequel to 2021's Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is that its physical rotating bezel is expected to be rather narrow, which might allow the Watch 6 Classic to squeeze more screen real estate into a virtually unchanged or even a smaller body. While undeniably attractive, the Watch 4 Classic is also pretty bulky, which Samsung may be trying to fix by slimming down the bezel and adopting a curved glass design among others later this year. That sounds like a great plan, at least in theory, but we're obviously going to have to wait and see how it materializes out in the real world and how the so far completely mysterious Apple Watch Series 9 could counterattack such potentially paramount design, functionality, performance, and battery life improvements. So how do you like these new features on the upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.